Some villagers gathered for the first time near a railway station. They saw a train approaching. It was night time, and as they saw the engine of the train, all they could see was a light approaching. Some of the villagers said, "Oh, we understood what a train is. It is simply light." And they left. Some other villagers stayed back to see more details about the train, and they observed that the train is moving pretty fast, and then they also started observing several bogies. They retorted, "We understood what a train is. It has light, it has several bogies, it is long, and it moves fast." And they left. But some other villagers stayed back further. And then finally, when the train stopped, these villagers saw that from right within the train there are people coming out, there is activity happening, there are details within the train which was not visible at first glance. These last group of villagers came back to the village and explained to others that the train is not simply light. The train is not simply a bunch of bogies moving fast. A train has all kinds of detailed activities happening with people staying there, people traveling, and they have several exchanges and they have aspirations and they are actually traveling to a certain destination. This kind of detailed understanding is only possible when we are patient, diligent, and are willing to understand all the details about what a train is. Vadanti tat tattvavidas tattvam yadgyanamadyayam brahmeti paramatmeti bhagavan iti shabdyate. The Supreme Absolute Truth also has three aspects: Brahman, Paramatma, and Bhagavan. Just as the train is initially seen only as a light, the aspect of the Supreme Lord is seen as Brahman, the all-pervading light. Just like the train is then understood in terms of moving bogies, similarly, the Supreme Lord manifests in everybody's heart as Paramatma. But the all-powerful, detailed, original aspect of the Supreme Lord in the fullness of His personality is Bhagavan feature, the Supreme Absolute Truth with all of His energies, having all of His interactions and experiences. And this is something which we must try to aspire for as we are approaching the journey towards the Absolute Truth.